Hi, this is Christine. Welcome to Scrap and Rabbit. I finished making another travel journal, and I made this one with a book cover. It's got 6 signatures on it, and the title reads Explore, Dream, Discover, and I made these with my travel printables. And there's a little button with a flower on the side, and it's kept closed with an elastic. And the back I just left plain. There's a bit of wear on the book because it's an old book, but I think it just adds to the feel of it. So here's the inside. It's quite thick, but it's mostly journaling pages. I have a little tag on the inside cover for a title or journaling, and then here's the first signature, and it says, "Wherever you go, go with all your heart," and that was a famous saying by Confucius. There's a little tab here, and on the inside I have a little pocket, and it's left plain. I've got a postcard in here and another tag from the collection, and I've got nice papers in here. I also have some parchment papers, and these are scrapbooking paper sheets that you can write on this side. Some music sheets and some lined paper. And then some more parchment paper. And then there's a little tag on the back, and you can slide something in there. I just cut up one of the images from the collection to insert behind the tag. And here I've got some more postcards. I made a little pocket with one of these images. And then I've got this pretty doily. It was quite large, so I folded it in two, and then I use that as a tuck spot. They're very delicate though. You want to be careful when you're handling these, but you can use that as a little tuck spot. This is some drawing paper, some more scrapbook parchment paper, and this is some coffee stained paper. The other side of the doily, and here you can tuck something on the back. You can journal on the back, and this signature reads, "The world is a book, and those who do not travel only read one page." And then there's a tuck spot here. These are papers that I had. Some more lined paper. So it's quite thick, this journal. The emphasis is on journaling, but you can also add some pictures and memorabilia on these pages. Another tuck spot. "Do not follow where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and leave a trail." It's kind of a neat saying. And there's a postcard. Again, little pockets, plain. And you can do your own stamping in here. There's lots of room. A little tuck spot on the coffee stained paper. And this is just a pull out. It slides in here, and you can write on here. This is an envelope. So many places to see, so many things to learn. Another tuck spot. "Travel makes one modest. You see what a tiny place you occupy in the world." Another postcard. Make the world your theater. Travel is fatal to prejudice, bigotry, and narrow-mindedness. That's very true. And then here's another postcard in a little pocket that I made with one of the images. I just folded the sides and the bottom and attached it to the inside of the signature cover. Coffee stained paper. And another postcard in the tuck spot. And on the back I just have a pretty picture. So that's my little travel journal. I'll include a link to it in my Etsy shop under the description of this video. Have a nice day and happy crafting. Bye!